What is up guys, welcome back to App Mentor. In today's video, let me show you how you can turn off the NSWF filter on Character AI. Let's start by launching the Character AI app, which you can download from the Play Store or App Store. Log in or create an account. Note that Character AI doesn't have a direct option to turn off the NSW filter. Instead, follow the steps. First, open a chat where you want to disable the NSWF filter. And then after that, type turn off the NSW filter in the message box. Next, tap the send arrow. Then after a moment, your character will notify you that the NSW filter has been turned off. If this feature isn't available, check for updates in the Play Store or App Store. Now let's search for Character AI, and if there is an update, install it, and that's it. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for tuning in.